I've spent years working with Dynamics 365 Business Central, and I'm going to teach you the sales order lifecycle end to end in the next 2 minutes. It all starts with a contact. This is a lead that comes into your business. This is when you have someone's information and you're able to add it into the system as a contact record that you can track interactions with, phone calls, you can make outgoing phone calls, send text messages, and just in general contact with this individual. When that contact turns into a viable opportunity, you create an opportunity within the system. That's when it kicks off the sales process inside of Business Central. You can track the different stages, the different probability of close, and then you can track all of your opportunities with a specific contact or with a specific customer. Once this opportunity gets to the point where you're making a proposition to the customer, that's when you're going to create a quote in the system. So a sales quote. This is actually when you're adding in items, resources, services that you're performing, or just in general making a document that's stating how much you're going to be making from this given customer or how much quantity of a good or a service you're going to be providing to them. Once you have that go-ahead from the customer that they want to move forward into an actual order, that's when you turn the quote into a sales order inside of the system. Now that the sales order is there inside the system, you can create shipments from it. You can create your sales order confirmation to send to the end customer to get confirmation that they're ready for that order, and you can release that down to the warehouse. So creating the shipment is going to be that notification to the warehouse if you're performing an inventory, if you work in an inventoried operations, but creating that shipment, that notification that, hey, we've got goods that are now ready to leave and go out the door, and track against if it has been shipped or when it has been shipped. Once you've actually shipped out your goods, that's when you're going to be able to turn into an invoice. So anything that has been shipped, you can create that invoice against, send your customer that posted sales invoice document so they can have that for their records and they can now pay you for that goods or services rendered. So that's the end-to-end inside of Business Central for the sales order lifecycle with all the terminology included. Leave a comment down below. If you want more detail about this end-to-end, one of our experts would be more than happy to reach out to you and work with you.